Let's draw Yamato from One Piece. I will start by lightly erasing the sketch with my clay eraser. I mix red and yellow and add some water depending on every character's skin tone. I use some good old red and 4 to 5 drops of water to add blush to parts of the body. I think the gradient of red and yellow on her horns makes her unique. And the blending of these pro brush markers are really good. I will use a brown color pencil to make her outline look natural. It's so cute how after Odin's death, Yamato decided to become like him. I was going to use gray for the shadow as she has white hair, but I thought purple looked better. Her turquoise blue hair is so nice. It's so surprising how Yamato is Kaido's son. If you liked the video, comment down below, what should I draw next? I really like the accessories that Oda picked for Yamato. Did you know Yamato weapon's name is Kanabo Mace? Now I will add the shadows and move on to the face. As I am making fan art, I will make her eyes in my art style. I will use the white Sakura gel pen for adding the highlights. If you think my art is good, please subscribe for more.